Is it overrated? Is it really that good? Okay, the crowd is showing me that it must be good. But I can't be sure till I taste it. So let's test it. Even after telling them that it should be without ice for Divyashree, they provided with ice. Divyashree almost fell inside those flowers while filming me, and that's my pretty videographer. Kurumjari, namaste, hello, how are you guys? So today's video is going to be a fun video. I'm going to be totally honest about how I feel about Starbucks Coimbatore. So let us see, is it a really overrated place or is it really that good? Did I enjoy it? And how is the ambience inside and outside? So let's go!
Sin parar, shake your body, shine like star. Baila, en el mar, keep it going, no queda igual.
Now let's see what's inside. Is it overrated? Is it really that good? Okay, the crowd is showing me that it must be good. But I can't be sure till I taste it. So let's test it. Now it was time for order. I ordered myself hot chocolate, and for Divyashree, we ordered chocolate milkshake, and we specifically mentioned that it should be without ice. Now searching for a good spot to sit down, and then we saw a wall in which so many youngsters would definitely love to take photos and all. So it was pretty, as you can see in the video. They called me as our order was ready, so I went to took it, and then even after telling them that it should be without ice for Divyashree, they provided with ice. So she again went to change her drink. And regarding the way they changed it without any fussiness and all, they just made a totally new drink and gave. For that, I would give a very good rating, like 9 out of 10. See, you can see that there is no ice in her drink now. Now comes my final review. So the surroundings and the place, 10 on 10. It was really pretty. But when it comes to the taste, it's nothing much different from what you get in other good cafes. So price wise, a little bit overpricey, and that's it. We have come to the end of our video, and Divyashree almost fell inside those flowers while filming me, and that's my pretty videographer. So till then, take care and bye.